How to fix keeps updating in Moto G17 power. First of all, turn off auto download. Open Play Store now. In Play Store, click on your profile. Scroll down, click on setting. Click on network preferences and click on app download preferences. And now here you will see three options: over any network, over Wi-Fi only, ask me every time. Now click on ask me every time and click on OK. After click on OK, turn off auto download from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option and click on reset device setting. Again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps updating in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.